Chicago. My throat's a little bit scratchy. The train was so cold. It was freezing. I was so glad to have like my big oversized hoodie to wear just because it was freezing there actually. Like I was trying to sleep because I was quite tired. That's all right. We're in Chicago. Oh my god. I've literally just been sitting in my room resting. It was quite a long journey. Maybe it wasn't a long journey, it was a tiring journey. I'm quite exhausted after last night. I don't think, okay, it's currently almost 4 p.m. so it's not gonna be like a super busy active day. What I really enjoyed the last few days is kind of taking my time doing the things I enjoy and pacing myself, so I'm not gonna exhaust myself too much. I think the plan for the day is actually just gonna get some food because I'm starving. I've not had a proper breakfast, I've not had lunch. I love Chipotle, it's so good for vegan options, and I'll probably take that to go and go to the lake, go to Lake Michigan, is that it? Lincoln Park, which has a nice view onto Lake Michigan. I've already seen a little bit of it when I was taking my bus up here, but yeah, I'm just excited to have a little walk, have a little stroll through around the city. I also really want to go to Trader Joe's. I'm so excited to go to Trader Joe's.
Have some guacamole as well. Thank you.
Morning. I did not end up filming last night at all. I was just so tired by the time I got back. Distances here are quite large actually, so I thought I was just having like a walk around the neighborhood, but in fact it takes like half an hour to go from point A to point B. I love Chicago, it's so beautiful. I've only seen like the city center from the bus, but that's where I'm headed today. That's like the final destination of today. This is my only full day in Chicago actually. The plan is to first go to this fully vegetarian diner, and they've also got like loads of vegan options. It's not super far, I'll walk there. I'll have like a nice proper diner breakfast. I'm so excited for it. Then after I'm done there, I'll get the bus down south to like the city center, walk around, possibly do some shopping, like see all the Chicago highlights. I wish I had more time here. Oh no, it's actually raining. Shoot. When is it supposed to stop raining? It's supposed to rain all day. Lovely. Yeah, I'll wait it out maybe a little bit, but also I don't want to sit here all day. from sunny Chicago. Of course, it's this sunny and this beautiful on the morning that I'm leaving. I don't think I ended up checking in or like saying anything yesterday after I went out. It was a really lovely day of exploring Chicago. It was pretty ironic that like the most important things I came to see, I couldn't. First of all, it was raining almost all day. I didn't have an umbrella, so I got drenched. And like, I guess the highlights of things you kind of have to see when you're here, like the Bean, were closed off, like fenced off. I could not see it up close, but I guess that just means I've got to come back here some other time. I'm kind of anxious about the trek to the airport because the airport's like quite far away. Like the way to get there is quite confusing, which is why I got up like even earlier than I had planned. I can't like stay here sipping on my coffee for a very long time because I need to get up and leave. Yeah, I'm going to New York now. I just need to finish packing up. It is quite cold. I'm so glad I brought this sweater because I was like really annoyed with myself for bringing it. Because it's quite a thick one, so it takes up a lot of space, and I like literally did not wear it once because it was so warm. But now this is my second day in a row wearing it. Yeah, and it's been so good. This video feels very final. Like, it's the end of my time in Illinois. It's a big deal. I'm moving. I'm going to a different state. It is a little bit sad to be leaving, and I am really excited for New York, but I guess it is a little bit of a bittersweet feeling because you can still be excited to go somewhere but feel a little bit of loss for the things you're leaving behind. But yeah, time is running out. I need to get ready and leave, especially if I want another one of these.